Hello, what's up, guys? This is Ken Steve once again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. But before we proceed, kindly like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification to get weekly updates. Hello guys, so this is the video as I promised. So in this video I'll be showing you people how you can actually chat with some Chinese suppliers without necessary using Google Translate app. In some other phones you're going to have Google. There are some keyboards. There are some phones that have a keyboard with an automatic language translator. So like my own keyboard is having automatic language translator, so there is no need trying to go to Google Translate app, or let's say Google Translate site, and then type in there to come and paste here. So most of your phones, especially all these latest phones, are already having an automatic language translator on your keyboard. So without wasting much of your time, let me click on the app. So this is my 1688 app, and then I'm just going to click Ali11. Okay, let's say you want to contact a particular supplier on a product. So this I want to buy this iPhone here. Let me check something. Okay, let me check on this phone here. This I want to buy it. Let me check the details first. Okay, so for phones, thank God that I even locate a phone. So for phones, things like phones, you must chat the seller before you buy the product, you buy the phone. And the reason why you are chatting them is for you to actually confirm whether it is an international version or local version. So for you to do that, you can see down my screen here where you see two red buttons. This one that look like a capsule, I don't know how to describe it. So by the extreme end you see red, and then in the middle you see something yellow. So the red one is the order now, and then the yellow is the add to cart, or let's say add to purchase. So after the add to purchase, you can see something that is looking like a cartoon head. So something that is looking here like a cartoon head. So you are just going to click on it. That is the Ali11 sign. So but on this app you're going to chat without Ali11. So but it's just the sign of messenger. So if I click on it, it now take me to this store. So if you are buying a phone, you actually need to ask them whether it is an international version or a local version. So for you to type and then contact them, this is the store. These are some of their other products. They sell both watches and other versions of phones. But without wasting much of your time, we want to chat with them, and then using the word keyboard translating inbuilt translator. So if I now, okay, you can see on my screen, starting from the left hand corner, from the right hand corner down, come up after the keyboard, you see where you see OK, and then come up a little bit. So you can see where there is A. If you are counting from the right, 1 2 3. So from where you see something A, and then you see some little arrows in a round shape, so you just click on it. That is the translator on my keyboard. Meanwhile, some other phones might not have that one, so you need to click on the three dotted lines by this corner. So if you click there, you check here, you are going to see translate. So because my own is already outside, that is why you don't see it here. So if your own is not outside, check for these three dotted lines. So you click on it, so you see translate. But if you don't see it, you might see this one, the round one, just like my own is outside. So but know that if you don't see these two signs I'm talking about, it definitely means your phone is not having automatic keyboard translator. So you need to be using the Google Translate app. You type there, you copy and paste here. So I can simply click on the, so you can see a new box have been opened. Let me cancel and do again. So I just click on where you see A, and then there are two arrows pointing to another language, so and then pointing back to A. So I just click there, so it now open. So I'm going to set this side, to English language. So I'm just setting English language, meaning my input language is English. So I'm going to set by the right hand corner, I'm going to set it to Chinese simplified. Know that Chinese have two types of language. We have Chinese traditional and then Chinese simplified. So the one they use on this side is called the Chinese simplified. So anytime you are translating, make sure you are translating from English to Chinese simplified. So I will simply continue typing. So I will say hello is, so you can see as I'm typing down here, it's coming up in English, and then up here, yes, it's now going in what? Chinese language. So I will just say hello. Let me start again. Hello, please, is this phone an international version? As a question, which is I'm asking them whether it is an international version. So you now click, so you see the blue button where there is an emoji opening mouth, so that is sent. So if I tap and send, you see the message has been delivered. So now somebody may ask, how do I know? You know, if you're chatting a supplier, let's say if you're chatting somebody on WhatsApp, you know when they read your message and you know when they are yet to read your message. The same thing is applicable to this place. So you can see on the message that I just dropped here, you can see I'm rolling my hand. So on this message here, you are going to see these few things, see these two signs in front of this message. They are now blue. So when the supplier see the sign, it will now turn to white. So it will be white, just like the supplier's text, meaning he have read the message. So now if they happen to send the message back to you, how are you going to see? You just long press here. Let's say they are yet to reply me, but I want to show you how you can actually copy their reply and then change to English on this same keyboard without going anywhere. So you can see I just click and then I long press on it, just like WhatsApp. You long press to copy a message. So for your sake, let me translate the buttons that are up here so that you can see them. So can you see up is copy, second is delete, 3 is forward. First one is the copy, 2 is the delete, and then down is the forward. So it's just like WhatsApp too, you have copy, delete, and forward the message. So anytime you long press on a supplier's message, the options will come up. Sorry, let me open my translator. So the language is going to, immediately you long press, know that the first one is copy, the second one is delete, and then the third one is what? Forward. So let's say now you want to actually copy this message. So I will click on the first, copy. So I have copied the supplier's message. So I will come back to my keyboard translator, and then I will now set, let me carry this in from here. Sorry please. So I will now set this side, the input language, to Chinese, meaning I'm inputting a Chinese language. Set this side to what? English. So I will now paste. So can you see that? So it is now translated back. Hello, please, the international version of this phone. Hello, please, is this the international version of the phone? So that is what I typed. They just exchange it like that. So that is how you can actually do it. Or the simplest way, I'm just showing different ways in case anyone that works for you, you use it. Or let's say the supplier just reply you now and you don't want to waste time copying the text. So you just come to your Hi Translate app, you click it, you click the global translation. They will translate every chat that you are chatting on the screen. So you can now see and now say, oh hello, is it the international version of this phone? And then so you can see what I type in Chinese is now in English. So the same thing, if they type, that is how you are going to do the same thing. However, for some phones, the Hi Translate app might not work. So if it is not working, you can actually be copying the text like this. If it is not working but you are having a keyboard automatic translator, you are now going to copy the text and translate just as I say. But if you are having the Hi Translate, you you send to them. When they chat, you click on the Hi Translate and translate. As simple as that. So this is how you can actually chat them without having a Google Translate app, or without wasting time going to Google